In this video, I will show you how to upload pictures to Facebook from your computer. Do so by entering www.facebook.com into your browser's URL bar. At the top of your news feed or timeline, click Photo and Video. Select pictures to upload from your computer. If you are uploading multiple pictures, hold Ctrl while clicking to select each one you click. Click Open. It's in the bottom right corner of the window. Edit your post. You can add more photos by clicking the square with a plus in it that's near the top of the post window. Or you can add text to the post by typing in the Say Something About This Photo box. Click to tag your friends.
Please like this video, subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more updates.
Click Location to add a location. If you add feeling or activity, then click three dots, then click Feeling and Activity to share what you are feeling or doing. Click Post. It's in the bottom of the post window. Now go to your profile and check the latest post.
Please like this video, subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.